Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to trace malicious activities in your network. If you're a system administrator or an IT manager, this video might be helpful for you. Of course, if you discover some suspicious activities in your network, one of the prevalent ways to trace the malicious traffics is using packet capture scenarios and utilities such as Wireshark. But it takes time and a little boring, and of course you should be a professional engineer in packet analysis to find the actual source for malicious traffics. However, in this video I'm gonna show you another way to easily find the suspicious activities source and trace them in your network. One of them, if you want to do it statically and you don't have a large scenario, you can use TCP view. You can use TCP view in particular in your DNS server. TCP view can show you all services and applications which has network transactions and also listening to a port or has an established connection. However, this way is still tough a little and takes time to trace, but can be helpful in tracing suspicious activities, in particular when you use it in your DNS server. If you don't know this utility, it is necessary to know that this tool is one of the sysinternal utilities which you can easily download from the official website. But another way to trace malicious activities is that imagine this this client has some suspicious activities and a large amount of network connections which we want to analyze. And this one is my DNS server. I can easily use this tool, fakenetNG. fakenetNG is a simple packet capture tool which can show us packets through DNS. If you run fakenetNG in a single host, you can see the transactions. And of course, you can see that there is a pcap file and the running folder. So where you have a pcap file, you can copy that and somewhere that you have Wireshark and other tools like that, and you can easily open it and analyze the traffics. But in this case, to check the traffics, we can open the network properties console and change the DNS address to the IP address which belongs to this fake DNS server. Okay, this is it. let me open command prompt, and for example, in this lookup, you can see that when you send a request to resolve yahoo.com, I can check the traffic. In this way, you can easily check all traffics through DNS server. If you want to combine this way with other methods, I can show you a way. The point is that the nslookup command couldn't actually resolve. However, we can check that here. It didn't actually resolve. So if there was a malicious software, it won't be able to connect to its command server or something like that. But here, if you want to combine this method with aesthetically check TCP view to analyze TCP connections, you can check the suspicious files and process. For instance, you can see that SVC host in this virtual machine has many connections and listen to a few ports. It is of course this is regular. However, you should check the actual path. The true path for SVC host is this, where you see another path for SVC host, that's exe. Do not hesitate that the file is malware. Of course, other process are regular process in Windows. In Windows system, for example, spools belongs to print spool service, which is necessary for connecting to IP printers. If you want to use TCP view, of course, you should be aware about the real path of this process.